My name is TAMIR, and I'd like to give you an update on the starter kit, which I just started a few weeks ago. My favorite product has become this brush, and I'll tell you why. I have had hair all my life low, way low, below my waist, very long, very thick. And several years ago, it started getting shorter without my actually cutting it. And my doctor, I asked her what was the matter. She couldn't tell me. I asked hairdressers what was happening. Nobody could tell me. And then I found out about split ends. And that what was happening is that the hair was breaking from the bottom, and so it was getting destroyed and therefore getting shorter. The other thing is that my hair ends particularly were extremely dry. Along comes this brush, and I was a little bit afraid of using it because I was afraid that as I would brush my hair, all the hair would end up on the brush. However, I discovered that the more I brush, the less hair there is on the brush, and that the hair ends are not becoming so dry anymore. They feel quite normal. I also added one other thing, and that is a little mantra. And you'll be familiar with it because it's the 5 elements. So I say it as I am brushing my hair. Love and approve my well-rooted, strong, thick, long, beautiful hair. And I keep doing that many, many times to the side, from the back, all the way to the ends. I do it much longer than that. And then when I come up, I brush it back into place again, saying that same mantra and feeling the massage on my hair and knowing that it is becoming healthier and fuller. And for that, I thank Morrocco Method.